What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing April's Boxycharm unboxing. We have the regular box as well as April's premium box to unbox today. And honestly, today I'm more excited than I usually am. Like, you guys know I'm always excited to get my Boxycharm boxes. I want to see what's inside. But obviously, since we can't leave our houses, I haven't really been doing all that much makeup shopping. So I haven't really gotten much new makeup and stuff. So when I saw this on my doorstep, I was really excited because Boxycharm is still shipping and still giving us our makeup fix during this quarantine time. So it's like extra special, I feel like, this month. At least that's how I feel. So if you guys are new to Boxycharm and my Boxycharm unboxings, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. They have the regular or classic box. This is $25 per month. You are guaranteed at least 5 full-size products at up to $125 value. Or they recently started offering a premium box, which is quite a bit bigger. I'll show them next to each other for you guys, if I can see in frame. Regular, premium. So the premium box is $35 per month. You're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size products and at least $175 value. Although typically with my boxes, they're well over the value that they quote, but I guess we'll see with this month. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start with the classic box first. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see one of my favorites right on top. Okay, we have Benefits Porefessional. This is amazing. If you haven't tried it, now you can if you get it in your Boxycharm this month. Oh my gosh, full size, everything. So basically this is a primer for your skin, but it fills in the pores really, really well. It's gonna give you a really blank, smooth, silky canvas for the rest of your foundation to apply on top of. This is great. It's been around for so long. It's one of Benefit's hero products. So this is really, really cool. I feel like sometimes when people think subscription boxes, they think like, oh yeah, like it's just like the products that didn't sell well. Companies will just throw them in the subscription box. Like, no, this is like literally like one of Benefit's best selling products. So that's really, really cool. And it does have a little bit of a tint to it. I'll show you guys. It has like a little skin tone tint, so it doesn't really add coverage, I wouldn't say, but it does help to really fill in those pores on your skin. So if you see it on my hand right there, super, super silky texture that it has to it. So it's gonna help your foundation glide on really, really nice, and a light fresh scent to it. So that's really, really exciting. And the value on that is $32. Up next, we have the iconic London Illuminator. This looks so pretty. So I guess this is like a liquid highlight. I'm not sure the shade on it, but let's go ahead and swatch it and see. Ooh, oh my gosh, I can tell I'm gonna like this. Comes with like a little dropper. Put it on my hand. Ooh! Oh my goodness, that is blinding. Like, look when the light hits it. Oh my god. Just imagine this like on the cheeks. Okay, maybe I'm gonna like dot a little bit on my cheeks. I already have a lot of highlight on, so I hope this doesn't look bad. And of course I have powder highlight, so I'm like layering a liquid on top. Ooh, but it looks pretty. Yes, honey, just amping it up. Woo! You guys can't already tell, I love highlight. Oh, and it actually has like a powder finish to it. Oh, that's really nice. So it's not one of those liquid highlights that's gonna stay like tacky all day. It's gonna dry down to be like a powder. Dang. So, so pretty. That's really, really nice. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. And the value on that is $41. Dang. Okay, we're already like well over the value of the box. Or I mean, how much the box costs. Up next, I don't know, what are these? Little eyeliners, something looks colorful. Oh, they're brushes. Oh my god, this is really cute. So this is from the brand Lavish. Oh my gosh, these look adorable. This is such a cute little neon brush set. Oh my gosh, and they're all super tiny little brushes, which is great for like detail work. We have kind of like a flat top brush, a liner brush, one of these pencil brushes, which is great for underneath the eyes or like smudging anything out, a little brow brush with a spoolie on one side and a angled brush on the other, and then a fluffy crease brush. But these are all pretty tiny. Sometimes brushes can be so big for the eyes, and it's like you're like eyeshadow goes everywhere. So I've really been liking like tinier brushes like this. So this is actually really, really nice, like when you want to get precision. So I like this a lot. This is an all-in-one cruelty-free brush collection, so that's really nice. And the MSRP on this is $29.99, so about 30 bucks. Then we have, I don't know what this is. It says Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink, Electric Blue. You guys know, sometimes I can be scared of color, but I think these are liners. Unless I'm wrong. Okay, yeah, so I think these are 2 liners from the brand Illuminati. Oh my god, these look, oh wow. That is bright and that is pigmented, okay? Maybe for like a festival or something, this would be like something that I would use. Ooh, but the blue though is actually really pretty. I use blue sometimes like in my waterline if I'm doing like a colorful eye. They're both very pigmented and creamy, so I honestly can't complain. And if you like color, you're gonna really like these. You guys know I tend to be a little boring, but maybe I should go out of my comfort zone. Maybe I'll try and do like a more colorful look with those eyeliners. Let me know down below if you guys want to see that. Or you're like, girl, no, stay in your neutral lane. But really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, last but not least, we have the Zoeva Caramel Meringue palette. So I actually just talked about this in when I did my eyeshadow unboxing. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's actually beautiful. I recently just tried a bunch of Zoeva's products and was like really impressed with them. And this was one of the products that I really liked from them. It's an eyeshadow palette, and this gold is so pretty. The shade is almost burnt. I'll do a little swatch for you guys. Like, it is just stunning. I feel like the finger swatch doesn't even do it justice. All over the lid, it's so pretty. And you have a really nice mix in here of both mattes and shimmers. Like, you have these pretty shimmers, but then you do have these nice like buttery, creamy mattes as well that can be built up really, really pretty. I'll do a swatch of this dark color too. It's like a dark brown with gold glitter. So this is like a perfect summer eyeshadow palette. I feel like you can do like these beautiful like sunset eyes and stuff with it. Like this kind of orangey coral is so pretty. Oh my gosh. But really, really pigmented, really nice. I've had experience using this palette. I think I've used it in a tutorial on my channel. I'm like almost positive. So I will link it down below or on the screen here if I did. If not, just know it is a good palette because I do have it. I have used it many times and it's really nice. So that's really exciting that it's in this month's Boxycharm. I didn't realize that. And the value on that is $28. And then also I forgot to tell you guys the value on the eyeliners. It says on here $42. So I guess that's for both of them. $42 together for the two of them. All right, so let's add up everything from this box and get the full value. So again, you're guaranteed $125 of value. So the Benefit Porefessional's $32. The Zoeva eyeshadow palette is $28. The Iconic London Illuminator is $41. The 5-piece brush collection is $29.99. And then the Gel Paint Duo eyeliners are $42, bringing us to a total of $172.99. So that's almost as much as the premium box is like supposed to retail for, because in the premium box you're guaranteed at least $175 of product. So let's check out the premium box and see what's in there. All right. It looks pretty full this month. Dang, okay. Let's see what is inside. Oh my gosh! I saw Manny tweet about this. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so this is Lunar Beauty. This is the Life's a Drag palette. Wow, the packaging on this is so pretty. It's like, it looks like glitter, but it's not like glitter that's gonna get on your hand. Like, it's like coated. Oh my gosh, so this is Manny MUA's brand, Lunar Beauty. He's a fellow YouTuber. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know who he is, but just in case anybody doesn't, he's awesome. I really like him and his channel, and he has his own beauty brand that is now in Boxycharm. Wow, this feels like expensive. Like, this is nice. This is my first product from Lunar Beauty, so I'm really excited about this. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Dang, this is so pretty. We have beautiful mattes, we have some shimmers, we have some beautiful colors too. You get a brush, nice big mirror. Oh my goodness gracious. This is a beautiful palette. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my goodness. I have wanted to try stuff from Lunar Beauty, so I'm so excited about this. Congrats to Manny for getting yourself in Boxycharm. That's so cool. And this is so awesome that like so many more people get to try his products and his line and stuff too. Wow. Okay, so we have to at least do some swatches. Let's go in with one of the shimmers. Ooh, yes. Dang, they feel really, really buttery. Let's do one of the colors. Maybe I'm gonna, oh, huh. Oh, that pink though. Oh my God, wow. Dang. These are very, very pigmented. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to do a tutorial using some color, okay? Because this palette is too pretty not to. But then I can also just like use these colors for like every day too, which is really, really nice. Like, I like how it's set up like that. Like, you have your everyday, but then you have your bright pops for when you wanna use them. So that is really, really nice. I remember seeing, like, I wanna say last month, Manny tweeting that one of his products was gonna be in Boxycharm, I think. So this is really, really cool. Very excited to do like a full-on look with this. Let's look at what the brush is like too. Take it out of here. My nails are on their absolute last leg. Haven't had them done in 4 weeks and they look it. I feel like from far away they don't look that bad. Up close, honey, no, no, no. You don't want to see. Okay, so we have a double-sided brush. So this is kind of like a fluffy like shader brush, and then you have a short kind of denser shader brush to get all over the lid. So this one would be great to really build up the crease, and then this one would be great for all over the lid. So that's really nice as well. feels very soft. So, ooh, this is really, really exciting. Okay, so let's look at the MSRP on this. So the MSRP on the Life is a Drag palette is $45. It's cruelty-free, and then how many shades do we get? Let's count them. 14 different shades. Very, very cool. Woo! Dang, now I feel like none of these other products I'm gonna be like as excited about. That's so cool. I'm really excited to try that out. Okay, next we have, ooh, Stila. I love Stila stuff. So this is their Glitter and Glow, oh, liquid eyeshadow. Okay. I love these from them. This is like one of my absolute favorite products from Stila. This and their liquid lipsticks. And I think I've received their liquid lipstick in Boxycharm before too. Oh, this is so pretty. So if you guys don't know what these are, basically Stila was like, I feel like one of the first brands. Actually, they probably weren't, so I don't want to say if they were one of the first brands. I'm sure somebody else did, but they were one of the first brands I tried that had really perfected liquid shadows. Like in the past, any liquid shadow that I had tried got like really creasy on my eyes and just didn't look good, where theirs are so, so beautiful. So this shade is Rose Gold Retro. So it is this beautiful rose gold glittery shade. Oh my gosh. Wow, it almost like matches my shirt. Didn't plan on that, but that is so pretty. And their formula is just so nice. So you can put this all over your lid. You don't have to put a color underneath it if you don't want to. You just put it on your bare lid, or you can apply it on top of eyeshadow, and it just looks so stunning and elevates any look, but doesn't get creasy and flake off like a lot of liquid eyeshadows can do. And their liquid eyeshadows dry pretty quickly too, so you don't have to like sit there for 25 minutes with your eyes closed to let it dry. Like they dry pretty fast. Like on my hand is almost fully dry at this point. So these are really, really nice. I own a lot of them, and I don't actually own this shade, so I'm very, very excited about this, and this is a very good product, and I think a lot of people will really, really enjoy this. So the MSRP on that is $24. Okay, up next we have this Lavido Age Away Replenishing Cream. So I guess this is like a moisturizer? Yeah, so it says an intensely hydrating, firming cream. You guys know anything that says hydrating is for me, so let's put some of this on our hand to see how it feels. Let's squeeze some out. Ooh, very thick. Like it's definitely a thicker cream, which is nice. So it would probably be best suited as like a night cream. Just has a very light, like nice, like kind of moisturizer scent to it. Just light and fresh, but feels really, really hydrating. So I like that. And the MSRP on that is $69. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. Oh, this is such a cute little tube. I didn't think this was a mascara. I didn't know what I thought it was. I thought it was like, is it concealer? Oh, wow. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God. Okay, I love that. It's just like a wand that goes into like a little tube like that. I like this a lot. I've tried a couple products from Wander Beauty and I remember liking them, so I'm excited to try out this mascara. This looks really nice, and I like the gold packaging on it too. And it says it's for both volume and lengthening, so that's really nice that it does both. So the value on this is $26. Then we have this Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Okay, what does that mean? Magnetic. Plush, luxurious, soft matte nudes in a velvet texture that is non-drying and long wearing. So what does the magnetic mean? Does that have anything to do with it, or is it just called that? Okay, I don't think the magnetic necessarily, like it's not magnetic like the magnetic lashes that I tried. If you didn't watch my Amazon video, that was quite the time. So I got a little nervous when I saw magnetic, but I think that's just like the name. Oh wait, this is so cute too. It looks like it's gonna be a squeezy tube, and then it's not. So let me swatch this, because I have gloss and everything on, so I don't wanna layer this on top of it. It looks really, really pretty. It definitely goes on matte, so it is gonna be a full-on like soft matte kind of finish. And it does say too that you can actually apply it to your cheeks too, like as like a cheek color or face color if you wanna blend it out. So that would be really nice. It's like a pretty neutral kind of mauve-y color. So I like that. I feel like it should work for a lot of skin tones. And the value on that is $28. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this little bag. So it says Opulent Beauty on it. I have no idea what is in here. Oh, it looks like we have brushes. We got another little brush kit. Oh, wow. The handles on these are like clear. They look like crystal. That's really pretty. So it looks like we have 3 brushes. These look to be bigger, so they're more like face brushes. They feel really, really soft, which is very, very nice. We have like a flat top brush. This is great for like blending out foundation. Then we have more of like a domed brush like this. So you can use this to contour, highlight, blush, or even to do concealer too. Like brushes that have this kind of taperedness to them are great for that. They're really soft. And then we have a fluffy powder brush. You can use it for all over powder, bronzer, whatever you'd like, but Wow, these feel really high quality. I haven't heard of this brand before, Opulent Beauty, but they do feel really nice. And these are also cruelty free, and it says the MSRP on these is $40. All right, so let's go ahead and add everything up. So the Life's a Drag palette is $45. The Stila eyeshadow is $24. The Age Away Replenishing Cream is $69. The brush set is $40. The Nude Sticks Lippy is 28 bucks. And then the Wander Beauty mascara is $26 for a total value of $232. I told y'all it's normally always over the MSRP that they say, because again, you're guaranteed $175. So that was a high value box. Super excited about a lot of these products and getting to try them out. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this month's unboxing. Definitely let me know what you think down below in the comments. I will have a link for you guys to sign up to Boxycharm in my description box as always if you're interested. So just click the link in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!